Put a menstrual pad on your aching knee, and you will suddenly feel light as a feather, almost as if you could run like a little girl full of energy and joy. First, take a simple menstrual pad. Then carefully peel the ginger, making sure to keep the most fragrant parts, and chop it very finely so that all of its beneficial oils are released. Place this chopped ginger into a clean glass jar. Next, take a clove of garlic, chop it into tiny pieces, and add it to the jar with the ginger. After that, slice the onion into fine bits and let its aroma mix in as well. Now, tell me, from what country are you watching me? Write in the comments. I am genuinely curious and very excited to know. Red heart, place the jar into a saucepan and wrap the jar gently in a soft towel so that it does not touch the metal directly. Pour water carefully over the towel so that it covers it well. Then slowly add olive oil into the jar, enough to cover the mixture of ginger, garlic, and onion. Allow this to simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. After that, strain the oil carefully, keeping only the golden healing liquid. Take this powerful oil and add a few drops directly to the pad. Place the pad on your sore knee and secure it well with a bandage so it stays in position throughout the night. Then go to bed and allow your body to absorb the benefits. This remedy also works wonders if your foot is in pain, if you suffer from fungal odor, or if your feet sweat a lot. Just put a pad on your foot with the oil, pull on a sock, and go to bed. This combination will calm inflammation, ease pain, kill harmful fungus, and even improve the metabolism of the skin, leaving your feet fresh without sweating. But there are even more surprising home tips you can try. Take a pad and apply toothpaste directly to it. Squeeze around 25 centimeters of paste into a small bowl, then mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Open a new pad and spread this mixture evenly across its surface. If your feet smell and you feel shy about removing your shoes in front of friends or guests, simply stick the pad with the paste mixture to the bottom of your foot and cover it with a sock. Go to bed and let it work overnight. The soda and toothpaste will kill all bacteria and fungus that cause unpleasant odor. Menstrual pads are not only an essential product for women, they can also be very practical for men. Drop a few drops of essential oil onto the pad and place it behind the refrigerator, near the trash bin, or even in the bathroom. The fragrance will spread through your home for a long time, leaving it pleasantly fresh and completely environmentally friendly. If you ever injure your finger and do not have a bandage nearby, just wrap a pad around it and it will protect the wound. Do your new sneakers rub your feet? Place a pad in the spot where the shoe irritates and you can say goodbye to painful blisters. Have you lost your insoles, or maybe your feet sweat and you wash the insoles too often? Replace them with pads and simply change them daily. And finally, if you sweat a lot and are about to go on a special date, put a pad under the sleeves of your shirt. That way you will not embarrass yourself in front of your girlfriend and will stay perfectly confident.